How to add email address on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your email address on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest version. So if you haven't updated it, go ahead and do that from the Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the setting at the bottom right corner. If you are using an iPhone, for Android user, tap on the three dot in the top right corner and select setting easy right. Next, go to account section. Here you will see various options like security, notification, two-step verification and more. Scroll down and you will see an option called email address. Tap on it. Now tap on add email at the bottom. Enter your email address carefully and then hit next. You will receive a confirmation code in your email inbox. Open your email, copy the code and paste it into WhatsApp. Then tap continue and that's it. And just like that, you have successfully added your email address on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.